Well, first of all, I want to clear a few cobwebs, before I get to the substantive issue. It is not true that there are no rules and laws governing the granting of bail, and that no thresholds are set. It cannot be true. First, there has been a lot of litigation in the courts about levels of bails and so on. The courts have made decisions and all. And indeed, those who practice law insist that precedent is itself law and it's applicable and so on. Beyond that, there are clear rules, and laws about bail and its efficacy and so on. Now, thirdly, I'm not aware today of anybody whose rights to bail has been abused in this administration. I am not aware. If anybody has any case and they bring it up, we will look at it and discuss it. But I'm not aware of any case of abuse of rules and laws governing the granting of bail. That's number one. Number two, I'm just shocked at the theater around the OforiAtta case. That's pure theater. You understand? Pure theater. There are allegations against Mr. Ken OforiAtta. He's supposed to come and answer questions. He hasn't come. There are indications that he has no intention of coming. The law grants the Attorney General power to prosecute in his absence. Why is the Attorney General not prosecuting him? Why? Cases of convictions in absentia. There are so many of them. So why this theater? That's a waste of everybody's time. Theater, theater, theater. Why? Eh? What else should I say? There's nothing which prevents the prosecution of Mr. Ken OforiAtta or any other person who may be deemed to have been engaged in unlawful practices. Nothing. So this pressure for extradition and so on, why? His presence in the U.S. is not a bar to his prosecution. So why this empty, useless theater? I don't understand it. You understand? I don't understand it. Now, I think, and in all seriousness, I think Mr. OforiAtta is not helping himself. In all seriousness, he's not helping himself at all. You see, like all the other NPP officials who have been accused of wrongdoing, even those who have been charged and placed before court, why? They're all on bail except for one. Even that one I'm not sure, except for one. They're all on bail. They live in their houses. They eat the food they prefer. They wear clothes of their preference and so on. They go to court when the court invites them and so on. Nobody has put a gun to their heads. But Mr. OforiAtta is in detention. Master is in detention. The choices he made has landed him in detention. And created an impression, and I'm choosing my words very carefully, created the impression that he's running away from prosecution. It's totally needless. And they're asking for guarantees. What guarantees? You see, by his conduct, now, if he comes back, it will be perfectly lawful perfectly legal to regard him as a flight risk. Which means that his bail conditions will be very, very high if he's granted bail.
Yeah.
In fact, a judge may even decide not to grant him bail because of his conduct. You understand? So, I think, look, we should cut the theater. One of the things which is important, one of the things that I think it's important to state is that, like every suspect or accused persons, he is presumed innocent until convicted. So you cannot be calling Mr. OforiAtta today a thief. He's not. The court may convict him, but until such time that he has been convicted, he's not a thief. And that goes for all the other people who are facing prosecution. None of them is a thief until convicted. And it's important, as some other panelists have said, that their basic fundamental rights are protected. All of them, including OforiAtta. If he should come back, his fundamental rights ought to be respected and protected. What else do I have to add to this? Nothing.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And of course, we have to conclude the matter of the New Patriotic Party. A few things, just to put on record that the Attorney General's involvement is strictly on the matter of extradition. Yes. Aside that, he is not the one prosecuting. He's the OSP. He's a special prosecutor. So he's responsible for. We don't know whether they are looking for him, but they haven't.
That separation. That separation is only academic. If you read the Constitution of Ghana, all prosecutions are done
on behalf of the
Attorney General.
Yeah.
So that thing, forget it.
OSP is not in the Constitution.
But I think that they have started the prosecution. It's in court now.
Yeah.
So
yes.
It is not the case that they've just
But
left.
I also agree that he has to be here. We did first one, said in Atamako.
What did we get?
Let us get the person.
Plenty instances where judgments are procured in absentia and its enforceability becomes a problem.
You get it, get the judgment.
No, but we've just
it becomes cost 90.
face that matter for it.
I say you get the judgment.
Cost 90.
Well,
Article 19.3, like
get the judgment.
you must be present. Even in absentia, it's the court that will tell you to proceed in absentia, not you.
Well, thank you. Thank you. Let's move on with the issue of the New Patriotic Party before we start a new leg of debate. And I'll start from, I like to always start from the home of the party we are talking about.
Yeah, right.
But you have 5 minutes.
All right. I think that at this point in time,